It's so foggy.
What the foggy?
See them? Come down. Swing. And then go down again.
You can see this guy.
Now I'm full.
I think my...
Okay, right? Like not
old for this.
not by to get.
I would have shed my pants by then.
Oh my god. It's real.
Organize ourselves in the line on our left side of the stage. Hi, Blue! And everyone say hi to Nigel. Hey, Nigel!
Yeah, I think so. We're gonna take the carousel first, which is quite slow.
Can see right? Can see me and I. Can see you.
We're starting our merry-go-round.
I am so excited. You can hear the excitement in my voice.
And see. Mine's
So fun. What? You realize they got sculpt the...
We're gonna take this next.
Oh no!
Actually, it's quite cramped, huh?
Yes, because we are adults. So in terms of space.
Are we supposed to turn right now though?
A bit lah. Don't turn too much.
Wait until the guy already.
Oh my god! Stop!
Share already.
Stop! Stop! Hey, don't! I gonna puke,
Oh yeah. Oh la. Just close your eyes. Just feel only. Just feel only. Never move.
Start already not have
Hey,
Hey, she's supposed to check us,
She see us, she know lah. For adults. Yeah. This one turning too much already lah. Wait lah. Wow, 有点。
Hey, yeah, enough lah.
Okay. You also.
You're the first to vomit your...
Oh my god, my voice is spinning.
Okay, my world is spinning.
Yeah.
So spin me right round, baby, right round. And then, let's go again, bro. Yay! Yeah, so crazy.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go crazy.
Oh my god.
See the boys behind us all the way.
Hey, stop.
We're gonna go off the rails all
Hey, I gonna puke lah.
Yeah.
Hey, too strong.
Okay, we let it. Oh man, this feels good, man. Nice. Oh, you're getting real. Awesome laksa.
This ride feels very long.
Hey, later I may not be able to walk straight.
We are the bros. We are the masa bros.
You are the banana bros.
Banana.
Yeah, is it master bro?
The blue banana bro.
Oh, that's even better.
Mom.
It's not even like a...
Are you sure?
Always remain seated. Be careful when boarding and deboarding the security vehicle.
Actually, I'm chill.
How do you feel about the game just now, sir?
Very good. We have a winner here.
How does your arm feel?
Okay lah. My finger is a bit red.
Why so intense?
Oh, 一直撞到那个
You're like...
No, it's like, okay, the string is so short.
Yeah.
And it's like, keep on constantly like...
No, so I pull down instead of pull here.
Oh.
Yeah, I pull down.
Effort. Our main goal, of course, is to keep us safe.
All right, one line. A mysterious alien artificial intelligence. Through analysis of its object, our alien family has been placed in a deep Indian coma in poison seas. Next.
Guys, how was the ride just now?
I was very tired, I was yawning, so
Actually, they're all good in their own ways.
yeah lah.
Very diplomatic answer.
How about you?
Okay lah, I think it was okay lah.
Huh?
You need like a more intense ride.
But I don't want. I want to.
I'm very tired already.
I thought
Can we
we were going
rest? Yeah.
They fucking oldies you know. Goodness. Stop it. I'm trying to yawn.
Taking another ride. Kids ride, they say. He likes to play with a stick.
Everybody see 5 minutes, right? Wait up.
It's not going off.
Hey!
No, you will keep coming down.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Want to eat this before you sit the thing.
Actually, that is sounds like an idea, right? Actually, maybe help me hold the Ribena for a while. And then all the friends will be like, come on.
Suspect.
Both of us is joystick or only one joystick? One only. Then it's a test of how strong will it go. How come?
Just finished the ride. We didn't spin. Ginny and I didn't spin, so it was still quite okay. The boys spin. The boys spin up and down and up. It was quite funny watching them. But yeah, kind of glad I eventually went for the ride. Can't see much. It's so foggy now. Oh, we were there.
Yeah, we were there.
The up and down spinning.
The up and down spinning, Zeppelin thing. I'm just going to close my eyes.
Okay. First World Hotel, the iconic hotel. We're going off to do some shopping. Shopping time.
Fatality.
Your hands so